Okay, we're gonna give this thing a try. Fuel line's in, a little bit long for my liking. It does have fuel in it. It's a little on the old side, but it should fire if it will fire. I did not open up the carburetor. I couldn't get the backfire prevention solenoid off. So let's see what happens. Hey, not bad. When it fired, it actually idled. No surging. Just when I tried to give it some more gas, more throttle, it died. But let's choke it again and try it once more. There we go. I'm actually going to send a video of this running to the guy I got the engine from. He thought this engine was hopeless, but hey, it actually runs pretty darn good. The reason why I pulled in, I thought one of these bolts came out on the flywheel. But like I said before, I cannot put this engine back together because I got to pressure wash it. I need to pressure wash this entire machine. So next on this is the transaxle, but I'm not going to get that done today. I'll get that done later in the week. It's not going to be too hard. Also, I'm going to probably reuse the belt off the Poulon. It's in good shape. These are basically the same machines. They're same length. They're using exactly the same pulleys. I'm reusing the rear pulley off the other transaxle, and I'm reusing the original front pulley that was on this engine. So there we go. I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.